Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another face mask. I don't think I've done a mask Monday for quite a while, so I'm bringing back mask Mondays, and today's mask is going to be an egg face mask. You're going to need 3 ingredients: 2 eggs, some honey, and some lime juice or some lemon juice. You're also going to need a container to mix the mask in, measuring spoon to measure the lemon juice, and a whisk to mix the eggs and the other ingredients. And as you guys know, we don't start applying the face mask without cleansing our face. I'm about to go do that first, then I'll mix the mask and then we'll start to apply it. Okay, so I'm going to start by whisking the eggs, and we're only going to be using the egg whites for this mask, so we have to separate the yolk from the white. So that's what I'm about to do now. And this is the first egg. And now I have to whisk the egg whites until they're frothy. So I've just added my 1 tablespoon of the lime juice, and now I'm about to add the honey. There weren't any specific measurements for the honey, it just said a little bit, so that's how much I added. Now I'm gonna just mix them all together. And this is how it looks after. And now we're just gonna apply it. Okay guys, so it's 20 minutes later and this is how the mask looks. I really don't know how this is supposed to be a peel off mask because I just look like I have super dry skin, so I don't think the peel off part is gonna work, but let's try it and see. Oh my goodness, this is disgusting. Okay, so this peeling isn't working, and I have to rub my face to get it off, so I'm just gonna wash it off and come out and tell you guys how my face feels. I'm probably never gonna do this again unless my face feels like heaven, but I'll be back in a few. So this is my face after the mask, and it does feel softer, but I don't like how it feels when it's being washed off, because it's the same eggy, runny kind of thing when you wash it off, and it smells like egg, so I don't really like that either. I really thought it was gonna be like a peel off mask and whatnot, but as you can see, I still have egg on me, but my face does feel soft, so that's a plus. So you guys can try this mask yourself and see if you like it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in my next one.